make that bit. Good job.
Damn it. Fuck that shit. Fuck. No. Hell no. I'm nervous now. Oh, fuck.
Go on.
Or in the daylight, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
Don't move, whatever you do, son.
Do not.
Do not move. Do not move.
I'm feeling moving. Nathan, you're alright though.